Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is part 2 of our Project Management Board from Scratch video series. In today's video, we will begin adding Butler automated functionality with our already created template checklist we made in the last video. Here we will begin to understand why Butler and Trello for managing large projects is extremely powerful. Let's get started. Click on Butler in the top right corner. If you have watched some of my previous videos, you will understand the basics. If you haven't watched this or are interested in learning first before continuing with these videos, I will link the video in the description and I will show it on the screen now. Let's first begin with adding some functionality when a new card is added. Let's create a new rule to trigger this. Click Rules and Create Rule. Let's first add a trigger to card move. Click the second option and add the initiation and concept list to this trigger. When this trigger is activated, we will now add some actions. Let's click on Checklist. The first option we will add is the name of our checklist template we created in the last video. This is initiation and concept. Let's test this out. Let's head back over to the board home screen. Let's add a random card called Customer 1 to our initiation and concept list. Once this is added, you will see we have automatically added this checklist without actually filling in this information. Let's now continue with adding more functionality. We also created initiation and proposal template in our previous video. Head back into Butler and create another rule. Add a trigger, this time click on checklist. Click on the second option where it says when checklist initiation and concept is completed. Here you can set this to a specific person who completes this checklist or set this to anyone. Let's now add some actions. Click on Checklist again, and in the first option, click on the checklist name. Here we will add initiation and proposal. Let's go back to our board and test out this functionality. Click on the card we added the checklist to. Check off all the options in our initiation and concept checklist in our Customer 1 card. Once you have checked them off, you will see the next checklist is automatically added, which is initiation and proposal. Let's quickly recap what this does for people who are confused still. What we did here is we told Butler to automatically add the checklist for our template when any new card is created in a specific list, which we selected initiation and concept. Keep in mind, this is different from our checklist. Once this checklist was completed, we then instructed Butler to automatically populate the next checklist when this is completed, which was initiation and proposal. We set the trigger in Butler to automatically add this checklist when the checklist initiation and concept was fully completed. If this is still confusing, I will have a couple pop-ups now from previous videos on Butler Basics and some intermediate stuff. That's it for today's quick video. In our next video, we will continue with more automation, adding documents from Google Drive, and adding additional members to assign work tasks for them. If you like these videos, consider liking and subscribing for more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.